How to fix Instagram Reels not showing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is your solution guide Bimal, and in today's guide video I'll show you the way on how you can go ahead and fix if Instagram Reels are actually not showing up. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, you can try updating all you want, you can try clearing the cache, you can try clearing the data, you can try offloading the app, but no matter what you do, Instagram Reels simply does not show up on the Instagram application. So you can see, if I open the Instagram app over here, you do not have the Reels option. You can see search box, you can see post, you can see Instagram shopping, you can see profile page, but we do not have the Reels option. Now why is that? Well, because Instagram app has simply similar bugs and issues. Just because they have it available for some regions does not mean it is available for some other regions. You can try updating, but it will not work any further as well. But instead, what I can show you is, if you want to watch Reels on the Instagram app, just browse to the Explore page and you will see all these posts. The one right next to the particular icon, this is called Reel icon. So this post is basically a reel. So if I tap on it, I'll be able to view that particular reel. As you can also see the watermark at the top that says reel. If you want to view other reels, just swipe and you'll find other reels from other creators. So as you can see, similar reels. Now just because you do not have the option doesn't necessarily mean that the reels is not available. It only means that the option is missing, but you can still go ahead and watch reels. As you can see, all of these posts over here are basically just reels. However, let's say that you do want the option also to be visible. Well, in that case, I can offer you an alternative solution, and that is only for Android users, by the way. For Android users, what you have to do is you have to download this app called Instagram Lite, which is basically the alternate to the main Instagram application. For iPhone users, unfortunately, you do not have Lite versions of the application. But if you're on Android, open up the Instagram Lite app, log into your account, and at the bottom right, you can see Explore Reels across Instagram. This is basically the Reels option. And right over here, you can tap on the Reels button to view Reels on Instagram. And this I can fix if the Instagram Reels option is missing. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.